What is up everyone, Brake Traction here. So as you can see behind me, we have the GTR Coupe. Now I'm building the GTR wagon and I'm trying to put some cool stuff on it and make the GTR wagon a one-of-a-kind show car. Now you can't really have a show car when your sound system is garbage. So thanks to the guys at BEV Sound for sending me the stage 1 for the wagon. I will be unboxing it for you guys, showing you exactly what comes in the kit, showing you the quality of the product. Should you buy it? Is it worth it? I will be making tons of videos going over the sound and comparing it to the GTR that I have here. This car, I actually have the Harman Kardon system, which I've heard that BEV Sound is much more clearer, crisper, and has a better bass than the Harman Kardon. We will test that out. I'll tell you guys my honest opinion if that's the case. I'm super excited because I know people that have installed the BEV Sound on their F30s and they love it. Even they had the Harman Kardon system and they upgraded to the BEV Sound subwoofers and they just say it hits harder, it hits more clear, and it's just super crisp. So I am excited to open this up for you guys, show you exactly what we got in the box. You will get my honest opinion of everything we open, what the quality is from the get-go, and then in the next video I will show you how easy it is to install this kit on your wagon. This is a plug and play. So BEV Sound has been in the game for a long time. They know what they're doing. They keep upgrading, perfecting their products, and they want to make it as easy as possible for the consumer. So when you buy this product, it's plug and play. You don't got to splice anything. I might have to because I don't know how many different owners decide to mess around with the sound system that I have in the wagon. I just know that it's completely blown. I'm hoping that it's stock and the connectors are not cut. But if they are, then I'll show you step by step on how to connect these to your wires if you have the same issue as I might. Hopefully I don't, and everything is easy because all these connectors are plug and play. So without further ado, let's get everything out of the box. So let's see, we have one universal toolkit, we have one decal, one box of tweeters, two mid-ranges, two mid-basses, and I guess the connectors. So you get about, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 speakers. So 10 speakers for the wagon. So let's begin. We'll start with the tweeters. Even their little stickers have BEV Sound all around it. That is cool. So let's see, these are the tweeters. You get 2 of them. These I believe go in the front door. But immediately, the quality is insane. It's got some weight to it. So if a product has weight to it, you know it's got good materials. It's made with quality. If it's plasticky, it would be light, but this is actually metal. So that's awesome. We have 2 of these. So these are for the front doors. So that was the tweeters. Now we have the mid-range. We have 4 of these. So let's see. Yeah, wow. Even these have so much weight to them. And all of them have their initials, BEV Sound, all over their product. That's really good attention to detail. The tweeters had it all over, and so do these. So their products legit have their branding all over it. And that's cool, because that's attention to details. So we have 4 of these. Now, you know what? Let's open up the toolkit. I'm curious what you get in. I've seen people opening them up, and I wonder if with each car it's different, like if the F30 has different tools, and if the E46s have different tools. While I'm doing that, so BEV Sound, they sell speakers to BMW Mini, and I think they just started doing Toyota since Toyota has the Supra, that's a BMW. But here we go, we have the BEV Sound toolkit. Oh wow, and instantly here, let me show you guys. We have a ratchet, we have a plastic pry tool, we have a metal pry tool, we have different sockets right here. We have a pick, different extensions, and I think nothing in this pocket, but that's cool. So we have everything that we need to make this job super easy. So it's super cool that they include this. I have a bunch of tools, so even if I didn't get this, I'm fine, but a lot of people actually do not have these, so they run the risk of not having the proper tools to make this job a lot easier. So super cool they include this. Now let's continue. So here we have the mid-bass, which we also have 4 of. Wow, again, it has weight to it, and just look at this. BEV Sound. all over their products, everywhere, on every box, on every piece of paper, on every nick and cranny. That's quality. And that would make it everything that's in the box. So we have the toolkit, we have the tweeters, we have the 4 mid-range and 4 mid-bass. And just as I mentioned, we have the tweeter harness and the mid-range harness and the stickers. So that's everything that comes in the box. You get 10 speakers, you get the toolkit, you get decals, and you get the harness to make this job a lot easier. So this is everything from BAV. Again, I want to say thank you to BAV Sound for sending these out to me. I can't wait to put these on the wagon and just have that beautiful sound when I'm driving. Right now, I'm doing a more of a tamer sound. Like this car is extremely loud, so it's kind of hard to listen to my music. The wagon's going to be a bit more tame because I do want to drive my kids in there, so I do want a better sound system in there, and I think BAV Sound's going to deliver. So I'm super excited to put this in. I think it's going to sound amazing, and I might be getting another set for this car and toning down the exhaust just a tiny bit. But first, let's install this on the wagon, see how it is, compare it, give you a sound test, give you my honest opinion, and then we can buy it for this car and possibly the E36. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.